Hey designers! Let's create this effect in Adobe After Effects using a free plugin. The download link for the plugin is provided in the description. Download it, close your After Effects, then reopen it, and you'll find it in Effects and Presets. Let's begin. I've set up a new document with dimensions 500 by 300 pixels. I chose a smaller size to prevent my PC from slowing down due to the intensity of the effect. Adjust the document size based on your preferences. Click OK. Import the picture you want to work on by clicking Import. Drag and drop it onto the timeline. Since it's a large image, scale it down to a suitable size for your project. Head to Layer, and create a new solid. The color doesn't matter. The effect will be added to it. Use the pen tool to shape it, ensuring the white solid is selected while shaping. The challenge is the imported picture isn't visible. To address this, lower the white solid's opacity. After creating the necessary lines or shapes, set the opacity back to 100%. Use the pen tool to create curves and lines. Don't worry about perfecting them. Adjustments can be made later. Once the desired shape or stroke lines are created, return to White Solid 1, and set the opacity back to 100%. Now, navigate to Effects and Presets, and search for Saber. Drag and drop it onto the White Solid 1 layer. Head to Customize Core, set the core type as Layer Mask. Scroll down to Render Settings. Make the composite setting transparent to see the underlying picture and eliminate the black background. Set Glow Intensity to 5 for better visibility of the picture. Change the preset to Energize. Adjust parameters. Glow intensity 5%. Glow spread 0.49. Glow bias 2. And core size to 1. Once done, for animation, specify the start and end points for the effect. In Customize Core, let's animate it. Navigate to End Size and End Offset. Click on the watch icons for both. Set End Offset to 32% and End Size to 0. Move forward a few frames. Then change End Size to 100 and End Offset to 100. Congratulations, your animation is complete. The Saber plugin offers endless creative possibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Support my channel for more tips and tricks on these software applications.